The truth is that if you feel lucky being with him, he's never going to be obsessed with you or treat you like the prize. When you think thoughts like, I hope he picks me one day, I hope that he finally sees that I'm the one for him and that he chooses me, or am I even good enough for him, I hope he's not gonna find someone else. You have already given your power away to him, you have placed him up on the pedestal thinking that he is the prize. And no man is going to be obsessed with you for as long as you see him as the prize. Even if you don't say it out loud, he can feel it because your energy speaks louder than your words, and this instantly puts you into the category of being ignored, not being chosen, and being overlooked. Your specific person will be drawn to you and magnetized to you the moment when you see yourself as the prize and you think, wow, he is lucky to have me.